Good morning, my dear children. So, are you enjoying the rainy weather today? Are you enjoying the rain? Okay, but be safe, be inside, okay? Don't go out. So, today we are going to start our class with Hindi. Which book is this? This is your Hindi book. And do you remember what we did? We did Vyanjan Ka. What we did? We did Vyanjan Ka. So this is your perfection toolkit book 2 of 2. Open the book. Open your book. Very good. So ये क्या था? कौन सा व्यंजन है ये? क. क कमल. क कमल। आज हम एक नया व्यंजन करने जा रहे हैं। ओ, ये क्या है? ख। कौन सा व्यंजन है ये? ये कौन सा व्यंजन है? ख। ख खरगोश। सी हाउ क्यूट द खरगोश इज। कितना क्यूट सा है खरगोश। ख खरगोश। रैबिट। ख खरगोश। ये कौन सा व्यंजन है? ऑल ऑफ यू स्पीक अप। ये कौन सा व्यंजन है? ख। ख से खरगोश। ख से खरगोश। नाउ लेट मी शो यू समथिंग. ओके, टुडे इज आवर सेशन नंबर 46. ओके, ये कौन सा व्यंजन है? ख। ख खरगोश। ख खरगोश। ख खरगोश। ये कौन सा एनिमल है? खरगोश। रैबिट। ख खरगोश। ख खरगोश। ख खरल। ख खरल। ख खटमल। ख खटमल। ख खटिया। ख खटिया। ख खच्चर। ख खच्चर। ख खरबूजा। ख खरबूजा। ख खरबूजा। ओके, ख खच्चर। ख खच्चर। ऑल ऑफ यू स्पीक. ये कौन सा एनिमल है? ख खच्चर। ख खटिया। ख खटिया. Parents, I request again and again, if possible, I used to show all the objects on screen, but if it's possible to show them in real life, so please show them. Please show them the real objects so that real understanding will take place. Kh khatmal. Kh khatmal. Kh kharal. Kh kharal. Kh खरगोश। ख खरगोश। रैबिट। ख खरगोश। और ये कौन सा व्यंजन है? ख। कौन सा व्यंजन है? ख। ओके, ख से खरगोश। ख से खरगोश। ख से खरगोश। ये क्या है? अभी मैम ने आपको शो किया है ना। ख खरल। ख स्पीक अप। ख खरल। खरल। ख खटमल। ख खटमल। ख खटिया। ख खटिया। ख खच्चर। ख खच्चर। ख खरबूजा। ख खरबूजा। खरगोश बहुत ही प्यारा है। इसका रंग रंग उजला है, गाजर मूली खाता है, मुझे बहुत ही भाता है। भाता मीन्स मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। ओके, खरगोश बहुत प्यारा है ना। लुक एट दिस पिक्चर, कितना प्यारा खरगोश है। खरगोश बहुत ही प्यारा है, इसका रंग उजला है, गाजर मूली खाता है, मुझे बहुत ही भाता है। ओके, खरगोश बहुत ही प्यारा है, इसका रंग उजला है, गाजर मूली खाता है, मुझे बहुत ही भाता है। सो कौन सा व्यंजन है ये? ख। कौन सा व्यंजन है? ख। ओके, I'll show you once again. This is व्यंजन ख। This is व्यंजन ख। ख ख खरगोश, ख खरगोश। ख खरल, ख खरल। ख खटमल, ख खटमल। ख ख खटिया, ख खटिया। ख खच्चर, ख खच्चर। ख खरबूजा, ख खरबूजा। ओके, आप सब खाते हैं मेलन? वेरी गुड। सो ये कौन सा व्यंजन है? ख। कौन सा व्यंजन है? ख। ख खरगोश। खरगोश बहुत ही प्यारा है, इसका रंग उजला है, गाजर मूली खाता है, मुझे बहुत ही भाता है, मुझे बहुत ही भाता है। सो माय लिटिल वंस, आपको इस व्यंजन को पहचानना है। ओके, इनके चित्र पहचानने हैं, इन सब चित्र के नाम पता होने चाहिए, आपको चित्र की पहचान होनी चाहिए, आपको व्यंजन की पहचान होनी चाहिए। आज हमने दूसरा व्यंजन किया है, इससे पहले हमने कौन सा व्यंजन किया था? क। इससे पहले हमने कौन सा व्यंजन किया था? क। क कमल, क कमल। ख खरगोश, ख खरगोश। तो आपको इन दोनों व्यंजन की पहचान करनी है, इनके चित्र पहचानने हैं। ओके, so this is about Hindi today. Now we are going to listen to the rhyme. So all of you go and bring your rhymes book. Go fast and bring your rhymes book. Very good. Turn the page. Very good. So which rhyme we did? It was Fluff the kitten. Fluff the kitten. Let's listen to the rhyme. Okay.
And scratches over nose.
This is a rhyme about a naughty kitten. This is a rhyme about a naughty kitten. What is the name of the kitten? Fluff. Fluff the kitten. This rhyme is about a kitten. Okay. So I hope you all enjoyed the rhyme and you are learning all the rhymes side by side. Are you all learning the rhymes? Very good. Moving on to next. Now we are going to learn English. So run and bring your English book. Go fast. Fast, fast, fast. Very good. Bring your English book. Let's see what we are going to learn today. Okay. Very good. Open your book now. Ma'am bhi book open kar rahe hain. You also open your book. Okay. So, what's there for today? This is the page we are going to do today. All of you go and bring your book and open page number 15. Tell your mama to please open page number 15. Okay, have you all opened your books? Have you all opened your books? Very good. So, this is our English book and we are going to recap all the 4 letters I, J, K and L. I, J, K and L. First of all, I request the parents to please circle the day for today. Then please put date, month and year. Then please circle the weather for today, as today is a rainy day. So please circle this icon. Okay, please circle this image. Let's start. So we are going to recap 4 letters. Which 4 letters? I, J, K and L. First of all, listen to the phonic sound of all the 4 letters very carefully. Okay?
E, I. Insect itching, E. Insect itching, E is the sound of I.
E is the sound of I. E is the sound of. Speak up. E is the sound of I. Now we are going to listen to the phonic sound of letter J.
J, J, J. Jelly beans jumping, jelly beans jumping, jumping all the day. J, 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 J is the sound of J.
J is the sound of J. J is the sound of J. Now we're going to listen to the phonic sound of K.
G, G, K. Kitty was a little kitten, ga-ga-ga-ga-ga. Kitty was a little kitten, ga-ga-ga-ga-ga. Kitty was a little kitten, was a little kitten. It's the sound of K.
K is the sound of K. K is the sound of K. Okay. Now listen to the phonic sound of letter L.
L. Lemon lollipop, lemon lollipop. La 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 la. That's the sound of L.
L is the sound of L. L is the sound of L. L is the sound of L. So please make sure to learn phonic sound of every letter. Okay? Okay, my dear little ones. So Which image is this? I-E, insect. I-E, insect. I-E, insect. So here are 4 letters given to me. I, J, K, L. Which letter should I circle? Which letter should I circle? I, J, K or L? I will circle letter I. I will circle letter I. Okay, you have to put the circle on the correct starting sound. Okay, you have to put circle on the correct starting letter of it. Okay, then what have they asked? Count the insect's legs. What you have to do? You have to count the legs of insect. You have to count the legs of this insect. Okay, let's count. Let us count the legs. 1. Count with me. Very good. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many legs are there? Insect की कितनी legs हैं? 8 legs. How many legs are there? 8. Let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many legs are there of this insect? There are 8 legs. How many legs? There are 8 legs. So you have to write 8 over here and you can take help of your mama. Okay, I know you don't know how to write 8, so your mom can help you in writing number 8. Moving on to next. Which image is this? Jejo, jam. Jejo, jam. Jejo, jam. So again here are 4 letters. I, J, K, L. I, J, K, L. Which letter should I circle? Should I circle I? No. Should I circle K? No. Which is the correct letter? It's J. Jejo, jam. Jejo, jam. So I will put a circle on J. Jejo, jam. Jejo, jam. Now they are asking which fruit can you see on the jam jar? Okay, what are they saying? आपको कौन सा fruit visible है jar पे? Which image is there on the jar of jam? This is strawberry. You remember we did related to red color? We colored this strawberry. Okay, so this is strawberries. Which fruit is this? This is strawberries. Means this is strawberry jam. This is jam of strawberries. This is jam of strawberries. I told you jam is made from different fruits. Jam is made from different fruits. So this jam is made of strawberries. This jam is made of strawberries. Okay, so they have given us 2 options, grapes or strawberries. Grapes, strawberries. So this is so S. Okay, so you will put a tick on the word strawberries. Okay, you will put a tick on word strawberries. Okay. So we are doing this page up to here only. Rest of the page we will complete tomorrow. So recall the phonic sound of all these 4 letters and complete this half page. Okay, this is all for the day. We will meet tomorrow. Keep on learning, keep on doing your work regularly. Keep on writing A until we start next letter B. Okay, A, apple. You have to write 10 times in your notebook daily letter A. Okay, we will meet tomorrow. Bye. Take care.